Hello friends, welcome back to SK Traders. Myself Sai Kumar and I am gonna give you intraday and delivery trade related tips. Kindly before we proceed to the video, subscribe and like, comment and share my channel. Today's video is gonna be very special friends. Today I am gonna tell you about a very interesting app in which you don't even need to do a single rupee of investment. You can just earn money by guessing which stocks is gonna increase and which stocks is gonna decrease. Yes friend, this app name is called Ticker Tap and this app is directly introduced by NSE Government of India, National Stock Exchange Government of India. This app is available on Play Store and I will provide you the link at the description. You can directly download it from there. So let's do not waste our time. Let's move to the app. So friends, this is the app at where you can even learn about stock market if you are a beginner. And friends, you can even check about the stocks and fundamentals and even the news of the particular market companies and even about Nifty. For example, you can search here about Reliance Industries and you will get the complete overview of it. You can check the in the chart that at what time Reliance Industries went to what range, and you can even check its the previous overview, what is its highest target and etc many, and you can even check about their investment lists and returns lists and also their key metrics. Then even you can check about the complete profile, like which all are the company brands included into that particular company which you have selected, like Reliance Jio and Reliance Fresh. You can even see about their financial trends and the holdings. You will get the complete overview of the market and the particular stock. Okay friends, and even you can add it to your watch list so that you can even check it at your watch list, like which companies have increased and which companies have fallen. You can easily check it here. See, I have added 4 companies like SHK, Tata Motors, etc. to know their overview every day. And you can even check about the Mimi. Here you can see about the Mimi, where which tells you about the market mood, whether the market is gonna open at positive or negative. By that you will get the idea that whether you have to trade today or not. Okay friends, now let's do not waste our topic. We will go to the main. As I told you, you don't need to invest 1 rupee also. You can earn money by just guessing. See here, first rank is 1500 rupees and second rank 1000, third 750, fourth rank 500 and fifth 250. Then from 6th to 10th rank will get 100 rupees Amazon vouchers, and 11 to 20 90 rupees. It is there up to 71 to 100 members. Means the 100 members every day they are gonna get the gift vouchers, and the last prize will be 50 rupees. Here you have to do nothing friends. You have to just before the market opens, like if tomorrow the market is gonna open today night, you or tomorrow by morning 8 o'clock, you have to just guess any 5 stocks. Like you have to just guess any 5 stocks, like tomorrow Tata Motors might increase. You have to select Tata Motors. Like this you have to add 5 stocks and you have to just submit it for August 10th. You can see that today's date is August 8th and it's Saturday Sunday it is holiday. So for Monday you have to just select that which company is gonna increase and which company is gonna decrease, which 5 company stocks. If you are guessing this correct, you are gonna get gift voucher friends. Nothing you have to do friends. You have to just select any 5 companies which are gonna increase and 5 companies which are gonna decrease. You can select any 5 companies. See, now even you can see at the top at the scrolling the Tata Motors 119 1.97 gains. SBI it goes to loss. Even they will be suggesting some companies friends, but too, if you know that companies which is gonna increase, if you have a little trading knowledge, you can easily gain rewards in this friends. See, many of them are winning it friends. Even I have won one times. I'll show you the proof friends. You can see your friends, every day correctly at 7:30 the result will be out, and every day you will be getting messages that whether you have won or not. Friends, you can see your friends, I have won it, and I have won 50 rupees gift voucher at once, and my rank was 78. Laddu for only for down pick. They will be giving separate gift for up pick, which 5 companies increase for that separate gift will be, which 5 companies decrease for that separate gift will be. Mine which is gonna increase, that I didn't get the gift, but I guess correctly that which is gonna decrease. Some 3 companies were correct, so I got this reward. And you can even see friends, I was trying from past 4 days, 4 to 5 days. Those times I didn't won, but again I have won. You have to just try your luck every day and try. If you have a little trading knowledge, you can easily gain rewards every day, friends. So friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe my video and help me to make more contents. Thank you friends. Bye bye.